Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for January 7th, 2015. It's a Thursday morning. Did you win the Powerball? No, probably not. But there's some good news. This is a little bit warmer out, right? Temperatures this morning are falling through the upper teens over the northern interior. You got a few mid-teens as well. Along the coast are in the lower to mid-20s, even a couple of upper teens mixed into some of the suburbs of New York City. So we have a wide variety of temperatures throughout the region with light and variable winds. Basically, wherever you are away from concrete, you have temperatures falling into the upper teens, and where you have a city, well, temperatures are holding up just a little bit longer. On the surface map, high pressure is continuing to push off the coast. That's going to lead to a very weak easterly wind developing over the region as this low pressure system down here by the Bahamas lifts northward. Now this low pressure system will remain off the coast, and it's going to just remain far enough east not to have too much of an impact on the storm track for this weekend with the next storm coming in. But again, we'll watch that very carefully. Other than that, high and dry conditions through the end of the weekend, and then a rather stormy weekend is on the way. On the radar, not much is going on, high and dry out there. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see that storm really starting to develop here over the ocean waters, and high pressure taking control for now over the northern Atlantic, and that will give way by the time we get to Saturday. This low pressure system right here is going to be the first low pressure system to move through, with periods of showers on Saturday, and then we'll have a stronger storm on Sunday. So let's dive into the forecast. For this morning, high pressure will be giving away. By this afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures rising into the lower to mid 40s for highs this afternoon, which is going to be slightly above normal for this time of year. For this evening, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures falling through the 30s tonight, bottoming out in the lower to mid 30s throughout the region for lows with scattered cloud cover and an easterly wind. For tomorrow evening, look for scattered showers to push into the region. Now, we may have to watch out for the highest interior where you're going to get a little bit of mix of some rain, sleet, and snow, but not a significant accumulation in any way, shape, or form. And that's going to continue on to early Saturday morning with, again, a little bit of sleet, a little bit of rain, not much in the way of accumulation. We're looking at a total, as far as precipitation, of about a quarter of an inch. So look maybe at less than a tenth of an inch of any type of sleet or snow out of this mixture in the highest interior locations. Let's basically say elevation above 600 feet. Other than that, looking for scattered showers on Saturday, with temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. Now on Sunday, a strong area low pressure will lift up through the Great Lakes. We're going to have another area low pressure developing right over basically Philadelphia and lifting northward through the New York City metro. That's going to lead to some very heavy rainfall on Sunday morning. We're looking at temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. Now, there is a chance that we could actually break 60 degrees in some locations in the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan area. Thinking the best chance is going to be central and southern New Jersey for this. But I have my doubts on that. So we'll keep an eye on that, mostly due to the fact that we're going to have so much rainfall in the region. Usually it leads to a little bit cooler environment. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. But one thing is for sure, Sunday is going to be a very wet day. We're looking at about an inch to an inch and a half of rainfall throughout the region. That low pressure system will lift out of the region, and on Monday we'll have temperatures falling throughout the day, early morning highs in the mid to upper 30s, and then just falling throughout the day from there through into the lower 30s by the afternoon, with a threat for a few isolated snow showers as well. Now we're going to watch out for these little clippers for the middle of next week, okay? Because what's going to happen is that these low pressure systems are going to dive towards the New Jersey coast and rapidly intensify as they leave. And that usually leads to just a few snow showers for the region. But at times, they can catch you unguarded, and you can end up with a nice little moderate snowfall once out of nowhere. The best potential for this is along the coast, but even over the interior, as these clippers dive south, they could produce a nice little burst of snowfall that can go unforecasted. So we're going to watch that very carefully this upcoming weekend. So on Tuesday, this upcoming week, should I say. So on Tuesday, look for lows in the mid-20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s, but those temperatures will be falling rather quickly behind these cold fronts that move through. And on Wednesday, again, you can see one of those low pressure systems trying to rapidly intensify off of Cape Cod here. Again, anyone right along the coast with these type of systems are a threat for a little bit of a surprise snowfall. Look for lows in the mid-20s and highs in the mid-30s with these low pressure systems moving through, so there's a chance to get snow showers as well. And on Thursday, rinse and repeat, another chance for a few snow showers, but high pressure will be building in, lows in the lower 20s, highs in the lower 30s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.